Special angles application, area of triangle. Determine exact area of the following triangle where sine S equals to square root 3 over 2. So the figure is given to us. We have a triangle PQS with a perpendicular PR. One angle is given to us as 45 degrees and we are given sine of S. That means sine of this angle, right? S is this angle. Sine of this is given to us as square root 3 over 2. So basically in a right triangle, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So we are given this ratio. The ratio is square root 3 over 2. Square root 3 over 2. So that is the ratio given to us. Now, if you recall, let's make us a special triangle which has this kind of a ratio. Now, 30, 60, 90 is a triangle which has these terms. So in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, if you recall, the sides are 2, 1 and square root 3, right? And this angle is how much? This angle is 60 degrees, right? And sine is square root 3 over 2. So if you compare with this, you can say immediately that this angle should be how much? It should be 60 degrees. So that is how we are applying the knowledge of special angles to solve this particular question. Do you see that? Well, you have an option. You can always do S, angle S is equal to sine inverse of square root 3 over 2 and get this answer. That's also an alternative, right? Well, we are trying to use special and see how fast we can do with this, right? Now we know these sides are in this ratio. Since these two are similar triangles, we can always say that the given side is 8, which is 4 times 2. Do you see that? It is 4 times 2. So this side should be 4 times square root 3, right? So PR should be equals to 4 times square root 3. I hope you're getting the concept. Now, in a special triangle, if these two sides are 2 and square root 3, then the base should be 1, correct? Now in the given triangle, that is scaled by 4 times, since P and S is 8, not 2. 4 times 2. So each side will be 4 times. So let me just do 4 times. So this becomes 4. So SR becomes 4 for us. Do you see that? So that is how we can quickly get SR. Now if you look into triangle PQR, it's a 45 degrees. In 45 degrees, we have sides which are equal, right? In this case, well, we are looking for an equal side, so that's not an issue. Now, sorry, this is not equal. This one is equal. So this is 45 degrees here and 45 degrees here, correct? So these two angles are equal, so their opposite sides are equal. So what we know here is PR is equals to 4 square root 3, and therefore RQ should be equals to 4 square root 3. Is it okay? So we know RQ is 4 square root 3. Now we know the base of this triangle, which is 4 plus 4 square root 3, and the height is 4 square root 3. So we can always find the area of this triangle. So what you realize is that we didn't really use calculator, we didn't really use many more things, but we just applied our knowledge of special triangle to get to the result. And straightforward, we can do triangle area. We say area of the triangle is equals to half base, which is SQ, right? So base is SQ. I should write this as SR plus RQ in this case, times height, which is PR, correct? And so this is equals to half. SR is 4 for us, plus RQ is 4 square root 3 times PR, which is 4 square root 3. You see that? So we get our answer. And now we can take 4 common from here also. So 4 times 4 will be 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So we get 8 square root 3 times 1 plus square root 3. You can multiply by square root 3 and get 8 within brackets square root 3 plus 3. So that becomes the area of this triangle. I hope you appreciate the method, right? Alternate method was, let me just show you that method. I'm not going to solve the question using alternate method. Alternate method was, If you're given this, you can find what angle S is, right? You can find angle S is equals to sine inverse of square root 3 over 2, correct? So you'll have to use calculator, and when you do that, you'll get answer as 60 degrees. Now when you get answer as 60 degrees, now you know in this triangle, your hypotenuse is 8, right? And that is cosine, right? Cosine of 60 degrees. 8 times cosine of 60 degrees, which is half of 8, correct? So you can use calculator and figure out all the sides and then get the answer. But here, the method which I've shown you requires no calculator. Just one comparison over the special triangle. Maybe two. The other special triangle we're talking about is 45, 45, 90. So there's no harm looking into that also, right? So the other triangle is 45, 45, 90. So in a 45, 45, 90 triangle, as you know, side should be 1, 1 and square root 2. That is the ratio, correct? So with this, well, in this we were not ready to find this side, so I didn't really use that part. So these two sides are equal, and therefore we got 4 square root 3 as our side for RQ. I hope you understand and appreciate this method. Go through it once again. Try to get this, right? So we'll have one more question very similar to this following this. Okay, thank you.